Okay, I'm sorry, my battery died in the middle of our last class, or this class actually, so that's why there's a part 2 to this video. And hopefully you can step right back in and finish diagramming your sentence, okay? So we just got done underlining skipped twice because that's our verb, and fawn is our subject. And we're ready to diagram the little fawn skipped clumsily. This is part 2 of lesson 148. You still with me? Okay. So let's go ahead and start diagramming. I'm gonna go ahead, you start diagramming, just soon I'll put it on the board, and then you check yours with what I have on the board, okay? Okay, so skipped goes to the right of the middle dividing line, fawn goes to the left because skipped is our verb, fawn is our subject. The and little are describing fawn, which makes them adjectives. So you put them on slanted lines underneath fawn. Clumsily is describing how the fawn skipped. So that is an adverb that you put on a slanted line underneath skipped. Your homework for today is on page 228. Do think C, write D, think E, and think F. You will finish think F on page 229 in your next lesson. Okay, so do page 228. Keep reading your book report book. Make sure that you know what a preposition, conjunction, and interjection is. I want to talk with you about that this afternoon when you call in. We have a couple days until our test, so we want to make sure we are ready and know what our words mean and do. Work your lesson carefully. Write neatly, please. Make sure you get it all done. This is important because we are not together in class, so we can't do as much review together. So when you work your lesson, I want you to work it very carefully and think through what you're doing. Write neatly too. And your lessons are going to be your review for the test. That's a lot of what your review for the test is going to be. So it's important that you think through it and do your best in your lessons because they are getting you ready for your test, okay? So do your best, think through each thing carefully, and remember, this is a lot of good practice for your test coming up, okay? Have a good rest of your day.